All right, this question is throwing people off a little bit, and I wanted to make sure that everybody understands what's going on. First of all, we're talking about the rubidium ion, or excuse me, the rubidium ion. And the rubidium ion, if you look at your ion sheet, rubidium would be found in the +1. So we know that rubidium is a +1, okay? So when we look at this here, it's saying some boxes, if needed, will leave blank, but we want to show you how do you get a neutral rubidium ion. So I'll just put RB because that would be a neutral rubidium atom. How did that come? How did the ion come from the atom? So this would be the atom. I'm going to leave this blank just because it doesn't need to be used. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the fact that on my ion sheet, I see RB, and that is in a +1. So I'd want to do that. And then what had to happen in order for that to become a +1? So what had to happen was that one electron left, and that's how I would write it right there. So that's what happened. Rubidium was an atom, like we said right here, and then it lost an electron and became this this cation. Okay, so that's how you would do that, and that's sort of what we're talking about when we do that. And so when you look at questions like this, you can see the same thing. Cobalt 3 would have been CO as is, and then it would become CO, and then now is 3+, and of course I would have to put that into the upper there, and then if it became +3, that means it had to lose 3 electrons. And I put the negative right there and go ahead and raise that and submit that. Got it right. So that's how you do that. And there's some other questions that deal with that, but hopefully that gives you a pretty good start. So, all right. Thank you very much. Hopefully that helps.